Ooh. 3 friendly wishes. Oh. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I got it. Hey, CJ. Do you want to play some pogo tag? Whoa! Okay, it's this new game I made up.
Oh, thanks, but I'm feeling kind of down today. I just want to go home.
CJ?
Where's CJ going?
CJ's sad and just wants to go home.
Oh, I know that feeling.
Yeah, me too. I wish there was a way I could help.
Maybe there is. One time, my sister got so scared after she fell off of her bike, and she never wanted to try it again. So, I sent her 3 friendly wishes. Some kind thoughts like how awesome she is and how great she is. It's a way to tell someone you care about them.
Oh, so I could send 3 friendly wishes to CJ. How about, Dear CJ, I wish you could turn into a peanut butter sandwich whenever you want. Ha!
That's more of a silly wish. A friendly wish is something kind, something that puts a smile on their face.
Oh, I get it. How about, I wish for CJ to feel happy instead of sad. Whoa!
That's a good one, Nico. Got another one?
How about, I wish for us to play together soon.
I like that one. It shows CJ how much you like playing together.
Ha! CJ is so much fun.
We have 2 wishes. Just one more.
Oh, I wish for CJ to get macaroni and cheese for dinner tonight because I know it's their favorite. Is that a friendly wish?
Yes, it's something special that you remember about CJ.
How many wishes is that?
That's 3.
Oh, I'm ready to send them to CJ. CJ! Oh, CJ! CJ!
Nico! Remember how CJ wants to be left alone right now?
Right.
Let's put your 3 friendly wishes on something to share. Like you could write it down or draw a picture.
Oh, I see. What about sidewalk chalk?
Great idea! Oh, you got it, buddy! Get that chalk!
Ta-da!
Wow, Nico, this is awesome! I really love that mac and cheese.
Thanks. What do I do now?
Just wait. CJ will walk past it soon.
Oh.
Oh! Do you know someone that could use 3 friendly wishes to help them feel their best self? Think of 3 nice things and then put those things down on something you can share, like a letter or a picture. Oh, coming, Nico! Pogo tag.
Wow. That's amazing.
Every day you feel a million things, but I promise that it all will be okay. I'll think of you and what you do, you will find your way. Feel your best self every single day.